Do you see it? Oh my God. Look at that. Yeah. So, needless to say, I really like this product. Hello. Welcome to Nakia Reviews. If you are new to the channel, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Nakia and I just recently started the channel. I'm going to be doing a review today and I'm so glad that you guys are here to see it. If you have already subscribed to my channel or if you're not new here, thank you so much for watching this video and for coming back. I was actually just about to do a review on this hair. I actually did a review, but I was going to do a quick update of the review. And I was in the bathroom trying to fix my eyebrows for this video. And look at them, y'all. I cut too much right here and I also cut too much on the top of this one. This one I actually feel like looks really good and I was really excited because I did this one first and then I, whatever. But anyway, so I figured before I do the review of the hair, I'll just do a quick video of another product that I had to fix my eyebrows. So this is the perfect time for me to test it out. This one is called Madluvv, M-A-D-L-U-V-V. Hope you guys can see that. And I actually found this. It was on one of my Facebook ads after I had purchased the Allier eyebrow tattoo tint gel, which I did do a video on that one. This one started popping up on my feed, so I was like, that seems a little bit easier. The other one, it takes like 2 hours for, your eyebrows to get tattooed or whatever. This one, it kind of goes on immediately. So I went ahead and ordered it. I can't remember exactly how much it was, but I will put the information in the description box. It just has like this little card and it came in this little pouch. And it comes with two, what are these called? Stencil things. I don't know what they're called, but it comes with two of them. I have used this before, but I never did a video on it, so I just wanted to do it real quick before I use it again. So pretty much it's very simple, very, very simple to do. And let me see. So you pretty much open it up, pull it off, and you'll just line this up with your eyebrow. And they have like different sizes for the eyebrow, for the stencil thing. So you can get a thinner one, a more different kind of arch. Like you'll just pick the one that you like. This is the one I chose. And then you just line it up on there. If I can get it lined up. And you just begin to stamp it. And take it off. And voila. Oh, I probably should have went a little bit more in this corner. But I don't know. Can I redo that? And there it goes. You guys see that? Do you see it? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Yeah. So needless to say, I really like this product because it's quick. And it gets right to the point. Like, what? Y'all can't tell me nothing. I'm too cute right now. Okay, I only got one eyebrow. So let me do the other one so you guys can see. So then you just do the other one. You just stick your eyebrow in there. Get it lined up. And you stamp it again. probably should have redid it. What? Y'all look at my brow. Okay, so, and it's on there. It's on. So yeah, that's pretty much this video. I told you it was going to be really quick. Again, this is called Madluvv. Yeah, Madluvv brows. And they have other stuff too, but this is the only thing I tried. So yeah, I really like this. As you can see, it's a really quick, really easy, and your brows will be on points. All right, thanks again for watching the video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and then yeah, check out my other videos. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks again for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.